Welcome to DelphStack. Today, I will show you how to fix voice chat not working in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, check your headset. Make sure it is fully plugged in and working in other apps. Also, check that the mute button is not on. Sometimes the problem is just a simple connection or mute issue. Next, try restarting the voice chat. You can turn voice chat off and on in the game settings. If that does not work, close the game completely and restart it. This can refresh the audio system and fix small glitches. On PC, it is important to check microphone permissions. Here is how you do it. First, open the Windows Start menu and go to Settings. Then click on Privacy and Security. In the Privacy menu, find Microphone. Make sure that microphone access is turned on for your device. Next, check that apps are allowed to use your microphone. Scroll down and find the section called Let Apps Access Your Microphone and turn it on. Then, find Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone and also turn it on. Also on PC, make sure your audio drivers are up to date. This includes both your sound card and your headset drivers. Outdated drivers can cause voice chat to stop working or have poor quality. If you are on console, there are some specific fixes. On PS5, make sure you have an active PS Plus subscription. Sometimes chat will not work after updates if this is not active. On Xbox, try turning on crossplay. Some players report that this setting helps fix game chat problems. These steps should help you get voice chat and proximity chat working in Black Ops 7. Thanks for watching.